Hi everyone, so welcome to our kitchen renovation video. This is our final video and hopefully you've seen the other videos that we've done before. So we've done part 1 of the kitchen where we're doing the kitchen units, and then part 2 is when we're basically doing the kitchen worktop. So I managed to find some video clips of when we first saw the kitchen and you'll see our first impressions basically. Welcome to our kitchen remodel YouTube video. As you can see, the kitchen cabinets were really old and outdated. The worktop was really old and outdated. The boiler was decent, it was new, but it was one of those old conventional boilers. So we did unfortunately have to change that to a combination boiler. The first thing we thought when we saw the kitchen, when we viewed the property, was that it was very enclosed. We didn't feel like it was spacious enough for us. So we wanted to do something where it would open up the whole kitchen. So that brings us over to our next video, which is this.
So now that Jonathan has shown you how the kitchen looked like before and our first impressions, I'm going to show you part 1 and part 2 of our kitchen renovation in case you haven't seen it. So here's a quick summary.
Okay, so now it's time to install the kitchen units. I kind of worked out what all the wires in the walls and all the outlets for the appliances. So for example, there's a waste pipe for the sink and there's a waste pipe for the washing machine. I had to make sure that wherever I put the wall units or the cabinets, that things weren't blocked.
Look at that. Sound of
Crazy. So now we're showing you how the kitchen looked like before.
And we summarised the renovation.
And now it's time to show you the final result. Alright, finally guys, I want to say thank you for watching this video. I do want to say one thing. We put a lot of effort into these videos and it's very difficult to record while you're renovating. Anyone who's renovated will know how hard it is to do it on its own. So we'd really appreciate if you could support us, and this is how you can support us.
So we really appreciate if you can like and subscribe, and also if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.
I can relax now. Do you want some tea?
Yes please. Where's my cup?